Welcome to this journey into the extraordinary life and timeless wisdom of Swami Vivekanand, a beacon of courage, compassion, and self realization. Today, we'll uncover inspiring stories from his life and explore how you can apply his teachings in your daily life to create lasting positive change. Let's begin. Swami Vivekanand, Life Incidents and Actionable Lessons for Daily Living. Introduction. Swami Vivekanand, a spiritual giant and youth icon, shaped modern Indian thought. His life teaches us practical wisdom, courage, self reliance, compassion, and moral strength. These lessons remain deeply relevant today. 1. The story of the accident and instant decision. Narendranath Swami Vivekanand once sustained a serious injury when a heavy cart wheel passed over his leg. Enduring intense pain, his calmness enabled him to seek timely medical help, saving his leg and life. Lesson. Stay calm and act wisely under pressure. In emergencies or stressful moments. T.S. Clarity of mind is your greatest strength. To compassion at home. As a child, he gave a knife to his mother by handing over the sharp edge toward himself to protect her hand. Lesson. Small acts of kindness and consideration nurture trust and love. Empathy begins at home. 3. Faith in yourself. The power within. Vivekanand emphasized inner strength, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Lesson. Replace self doubt with self confidence. Believe in your unique potential. To overcome challenges and pursue dreams. 4. Mindful living. The water analogy. He compared the mind to water. Calm water reflects clearly, disturbed water distorts images. Lesson. Practice meditation or mindfulness daily to maintain focus, emotional equilibrium, and better judgment. 5. Praying for the right thing. Guided by his Guru Ramakrishna, Vivekanand prayed not for wealth but wisdom and detachment in a family crisis, marking his spiritual awakening. Lesson. In tough times, seek inner strength and wisdom beyond material gains for true resilience. 6. Service to others. Karma Yoga. He taught that serving humanity selflessly is the highest form of worship. Lesson. Volunteer or help others. Selfless service cultivates humility and gives life profound meaning. 7. Humility and continuous learning. Despite global fame, Vivekanand remained humble and open to learning from everyone. Lesson. Accept feedback graciously, stay open to growth in all areas of life. 8. Perseverance. Overcoming hardships. After losing his father and facing poverty, he persevered with dedication to his studies and spiritual path. Lesson. Persistent effort through difficulties is key to long-term success. 9. Ethical ambition and modern relevance. He advocated combining ambition with strong ethics. Lesson. Compete fairly and uphold values, pursue meaningful and honest goals. 10. Emotional intelligence in relationships. He practiced empathy, self-awareness, and emotional balance in social interactions. Lesson. Cultivate patience and understanding to strengthen personal and professional bonds. 11. Unity and respect. Vivekanand worked to bridge social and cultural divides. Lesson. Celebrate diversity, encourage teamwork, and respect all beliefs. 12. Humor and joyful living. He believed humor and positivity were marks of intelligence and mental health. Lesson: seek joy in everyday life. Laughter helps reduce stress and build connections. Actionable summary: implementing Vivekananda's lessons today. Establish daily routines like meditation and journaling. Fill your mind with inspiring ideas and set purposeful goals. View challenges as opportunities for growth. Engage in selfless service and leadership. Cultivate self confidence and balanced ambition. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey through Swami Vivekananda's life and teachings. Remember, the power to transform your life lies within you through courage.